Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a displacement reaction, that reaction between copper sulphate and Ki, potassium iodide. So first I'll prepare that CuSO4 solution. See that blue crystalline solid CuSO4. First I'll prepare that CuSO4 solution. See, when you prepare solution, always remember that solvent should not be cross half of that total volume. Okay, otherwise it will spout out. And see, that is the procedure to dissolve soil. Not that is wrong way. Okay, if any gas is evolved, so how we will dissolve in soil? Try to learn it. See, that is the procedure. In that will dissolve. Okay. Say clear solution. Let's see USO4. Clear solution. Okay. Next, see, I divided into two parts because in one part I will add Ki solution and other part I will directly add that solid Ki. Okay, and we will see what is the change. See, in first case I am adding that Ki solution. I already prepared that Ki solution. It is also colorless. Now you see the change. That is CuSO4 solution, and we are adding that Ki solution. See the change. See, initially it will turn that brown and hazy. After some time, see, just wait for that 5 minutes. See, all that cuprous iodide, it is off-white color. It will settle down. And that iodine, because what are the product? CuSO4 plus Ki, it form K2SO4, which is a soluble solid, K2SO4, and cuprous iodide, Cu2I2. Now Cu2I2, it is off-white solid, it will settle down. Okay, and that iodine gas is evolved. Iodine is one of the product. It will in that solution. Okay, we have to keep it for sometimes. Okay, let's do that next one. Just keep it in that test tube rack for a few minutes so that give it time to that cuprous iodide settle down. Next one, see, in that another that CuSO4 solution, I'll directly add that solid Ki. Solid Ki. See, directly adding and I'm adding that Ki, potassium iodide. See, same observation. Okay, and see, now it is that brown color, that hazy solution. Just keep it for some times. You'll see the change. See, here I add Ki solution, CuSO4 aqueous solution and Ki also aqueous solution. See, in lower part, that off-white cuprous iodide settle down. Cuprous iodide, Cu2I2, cuprous iodide. This solution brown due to that iodine vapor, and K2SO4, it is soluble, colorless soluble K2SO4, it dissolves in that aqueous solution, and that this turn that brown due to that iodine. Okay, and that lower part is cuprous iodide, and in this case, see, I directly add that solid Ki. See here also, see that off-white precipitate of cuprous iodide, and see it little bit more dense that color because here Ki I directly add in solid condition. See, that is brown. See here also little bit that brown color, see, due to that iodine vapor. Okay, that iodine, upper part iodine, that iodine solution, and also colorless that K2SO4 is there, and lower part Cu2I2. To get more this type of chemical reaction, please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please share it and please give that like okay to this video and try to spread it.